Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to be talking about how you can connect the Windows-based operating system that is created in EC2 instance into your Linux machine. So this is the process that I'm going to be showing you in the desktop client that I'm going to be installing and showing you that how you can use it the same. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that currently this is the instance that I have created. These are few of the instances that I deleted, but this is the instance that is currently running. But before going to this, let's go to this terminal, and what I will do, I will write this command: sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install Remmina. So if you have not if you don't know about Remmina, basically this is the desktop client that is used to connect to the the Linux machine with Windows machine or other machines. Basically it's a desktop client that will be provided to you in the Linux machine so that you can use the other machines also in it. So yeah, this is the software that you need to install, but I have already installed this software, so there is no need for me to install it again. So what I will do, the first thing that I need to do is, after installing, is that go to the connect. So I have already created this Windows Server EC2 instance in my previous video also. So if you have not watched that video, you go check it out. So in that video I have told you that how you can create this Windows Server. So now let's go to the connect. So inside this connect, you will see that this is the RDB client. So let's click on this, and once it is clicked, what you need to do is to go to this get password. So once the get password is clicked, go to the upload, and this is the tutorial PM. This is the RCA key that I have just that is present on my machine. So this is the Ubuntu machine that I'm currently running, right? So this is the main Ubuntu machine that I'm currently running, in which I will be using the Windows Server in it, right, on the EC2 instance. So yeah, this is the password that I got based on by giving my the key, the RCA key. And once this is done, what I need to do, I need to take this public DNS, administrator, and private password. So let's copy this, and after that let's write Remmina. So this is the the desktop client that I have downloaded, and let's click on this plus sign, and once this is clicked, paste the server here. After that, this is the administrator that I need to write, like this is the username, administrator, and the next thing is the password. So let's copy this password. Let's give this password here like this. All right, so now what I need to do, I need to click on this connect. So now it will take me some time in order to connect to the Windows Server here in this Linux machine. All right, so yeah, as you can see here that this is the Windows machine that is currently running on my Linux machine. So yeah, this is how you can approach it by using this Remmina desktop client. So yeah, this is all about it. So let's close this. All right, and once it is closed, let's close this one also. Let's go to the instance. And once you have gone to the instance, there is no need for it. So what I will do, I will delete this. So let's wait for it. It will take some time in order to load. So now let's delete it. Terminate instance. All right, so yeah, it is successfully terminated. It will show me the status after some time. So yeah, currently it is shutting down, but after some time it will disappear because it will be terminated. So yeah, this is the video all about it, that how you can install the desktop client by using Remmina, and how you can access the Windows Server on your Linux machine by using this package. I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.